Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I'm Scott Fox, lifelong insurance nerd, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to enroll in Medicare online. If you're turning 65 soon and need to sign up, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step, making sure you don't get tripped up by some of the tricky questions along the way. Let's jump in. If you're already receiving Social Security benefits before turning 65, Medicare Part A and B will be automatically enrolled for you. Your Medicare card will arrive about 3.5 months before your birthday month. No action needed on your part. If you're not receiving Social Security, you'll need to apply online at SSA.gov. Before you start, make sure you have a My Social Security account set up. If you don't, check out my video on how to create one. Link in the description. You'll also need at least 40 quarters of work history to qualify for Medicare on your own. If you don't have 40 quarters of work history, you may need to apply under your spouse's work history. So first, go to SSA.gov. Click on the Medicare section. Scroll down and click Apply for Medicare. Agree to the terms and click Next. From here, you'll either start a new application or continue a saved one with a re-entry number. Choose I am applying for myself. Then click Yes on Do I have a My Social Security account? Click Next. So if you followed along our method, you will choose the login.gov, enter your email address, enter your password, then click Submit. You will use whatever method of multi-factor authentication that you chose. We chose text, so we will enter the code that was texted to us here. Then click Submit. The system will pre-fill some of your info. Double check that everything is correct. Click Next. Enter your contact information, address, phone number, email, and language preference. Click Next. Confirm your place of birth and citizenship status. Click Next. If you were born outside the U.S. or became a naturalized citizen, Social Security may ask for extra documentation later. One of the most confusing questions on this form is, do you wish to apply for Medicare only, but not for monthly retirement cash benefits? If you choose yes, you are only enrolling in Medicare today. If you choose no, you are applying for Medicare and Social Security benefits at the same time. Read this carefully to select the right option. Most people will answer no to the question about enrolling in Medicare through someone else's work record. Now at this point, you will get a re-entry number. It's a good idea to write down this number or print out this page, or maybe just save this page as a print screen. Because if for whatever reason you run out of time or you get kicked out, this will allow you to restart your application and not have to start from scratch. There's a few more confusing sections on this next page. It asks you if you want to enroll in Part B. Well, what about Part A? It is assumed that you want to enroll in Part A if you're doing a Medicare application, because it's normally free. So you choose here whether or not you want to also enroll in Part B. We're going to click Yes. If you click Yes, you'll be enrolled in both Part A and Part B. If you say no, you will only be enrolled in Part A, not Part B. Group health coverage question. If you have current employer coverage through you or your spouse's job, you answer yes. If you have COBRA, retiree coverage, or an ACA plan, you answer no. So to reiterate, COBRA does not count here, and many people get confused with this. If you do have group coverage based on current employment, you'll select Yes here. Next, you'll answer the questions about your employment start and end dates, as well as the dates your health insurance coverage began and ended. Your best estimate is just fine here. No need to worry about it too much. If your employment and health insurance coverage are still active as of today, simply check the box indicating that they are ongoing. But if they've already ended, enter the respective end dates. Once you've completed this section, click Next to continue. On the final application page, you'll have the option to add a brief note to Social Security. If you're enrolling during your initial Medicare enrollment period around your 65th birthday, a note is not necessary. I don't recommend putting one in. However, if you're enrolling after that period, it's important to specify the date you'd like your Medicare Part B coverage to begin. This ensures Social Security knows exactly when your Medicare benefits should start. For example, if you're first enrolling at age 67, clearly state the first day of the month you want your Part B coverage to start. After clicking Next, you'll reach a summary page. Here, carefully review your application and make any necessary corrections. It's always good to double check. Measure twice, cut once. Under the electronic signature section, carefully read the agreement, then check the box confirming you agree to submit your application electronically. Finally, click the Submit Now to officially submit your application. You'll immediately see a confirmation page. At this point, we strongly recommend clicking the link labeled View and Print Your Receipt. This is your only chance to print or save a PDF copy of your application receipt. Click Done. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation email from Social Security. Expect to receive a decision letter in about 2 to 4 weeks, followed by your Medicare card in another few weeks after that. That's it. The whole process takes about 10 minutes if you have everything ready. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out my other Medicare enrollment videos, linked in the description. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a Medicare tip. See you next time. Thank you very much. Have a great day.